The next one is going to be the HE800.
Okay.
And this is like the ultimate reference headphone for all audiophiles. So if you could find something that would be suitable here, and I think the soundstage will open up
I know what we need
quite a bit. Pretty excited to see what you think about these. And I can see you put a Beck record on.
Woke up this morning.
That's extraordinary. Can I flick it onto the first one?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god, that's so good. Oh yeah, the buzzing of the guitar, you can hear it buzzing on the frets. That's breathtaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that first track, I use that a lot for listening to new speakers or stuff, and I've made them to sort of get an idea, because it's very spacious.
Yeah.
But the guitar sounds so good.
Yeah. Can you hear it's like opening up more than before?
Yeah, you can hear. I feel like you can hear a bit more of what what he's wanting you to hear. You know, because they would have spent so long in the studio, like mixing this. So it's like you can really kind of get an idea as to what they're trying to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really beautiful.
Yeah.
That's a huge jump up again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like,
yeah, definitely. These are my favorites.
Can I try something else on them?
Yeah, sure.
Something a bit different, anyway.
Okay. Give it a go.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, sounds really clear.
The only time you ever hear her sound like that is if you see her live. Yeah, she's incredible.
Yeah,
that's just it's interesting. Like, 'cause I think all the headphones I listen to are probably quite coloured. You know, they kind of colour them for a sort of
in different directions.
Consumer sound.
Yeah.
Whereas these are way more kind of honest, aren't they? They're just kind of giving you a very true representation. So it's really interesting to hear things in a different way. Like, you'd go and listen to your whole record collection again, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you need to rehear it, because this is the way that you discover details you never heard before.
Yeah.
I can't name how many tracks where I discovered them saying something before they even started.
Oh,
so you can just
hear it in the background.
Yeah, you can just hear in the background in the studio somebody will like count or say something just before somebody coughing but very vaguely in the back you can just hear these tiny details.
And because it just has your full attention as well, like you have to listen. Like yeah, amazing.
So
can I listen to something else? On
yeah.
No. Yeah, go for it. I don't think my aim's not very good. There we go. Guitar sounds amazing, doesn't it?
Amazing, yeah. There's some serious production skills going into recording.
But I mean, like, he's also, I mean, Mark Knopfler, to me, he's one of the greatest guitar players of all time. I know my brother would agree with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's stunning. Oh God, like, where do we go?
We could go from open back, so all the headphones we have been listening to now is open back, to our flagship closed back headphone, which is the HD820.
And you're going to test me, are you, as to what difference I will experience?
Nah, I think you will hear a clear difference, because at least from my point of view, there's quite a big difference between open back and closed back. But let's see what you can get.